any nkomo be man avia bakodia me say ma say anom ta from Professor Baah Acheamfour anti prof
menya
I mean you
na menya May to December 10 months
say kwesi calendar na
when people are frustrated May to December is never 10 months. See, when you are frustrated, simple arithmetic you're not able to calculate. And there was a you can't say that's in fact your mama or can't say your mama Mishimua as some of Papa na be a nightmare. I'm a MPP for you know because of the track record, because of the sincerity, because of the hard working nature. Inti omuti di ana omo ho so me tenase and in any way okay lame that president Ovi this is the first man used to tell me what Canada
Gabi
who was the first person to free now
anado to I
so sometimes when these guys speak ya na person bu some say ya na mo dwe some ya hwan ya Nanado was the first person who used to say word on Professor Mills. Nanado ne Professor Mills or no he used to word on Professor Mills.
What do you mean also by one?
But you can't compare the two. In any way, you can't.
Let's choose.
You can't compare. Yeah, that you can't compare the two.
Let's choose. Let's
choose. Compare the two. So
you see the word. But
so shut up, please. Will you shut up?
Me pacho.
No president.
Will you shut up?
Who gone dog? O papa sama na otite kura no obetimi aka tell say no papa
kwasi
papa sama we
papa
bodan for we na adene
oh kwasi that say you also
papa the president obetimi the assemblyman
papa onum read
president onu wi
mama
onu ko ken ni ade ade awo bia no
kwasi chei
papa bodan for we kura no what dey be compare president say no president what talk you about president wadi
yanko
wadi president o papa wo
kwasi
papa obetime do papa ko president
I am controlling my show
katia no say wo munja sa bodam sam no keka
kwasi
this camera pesa wo no mama ko betime kasa tensa wa bodam won sua nyansa na munya kasa fin no ono mahama ono obetime akasa me ma time akasa te no so no mo visa me na mi su wazia mama ne nema wo ye no ana me ka wasa ba me attacking the person what is the attacking the person so we ade a wo be ya anya no na maka wasam ba wo betimi abetra ha adiscabo president so no what do you mean your stupid father kra no what me kasa church no
please you are
going to mama anu papa no family no kra no family no why na betimi dia compare when na family mo betimi dia compare na do family why who in your family
can compare no
what does it anya twekwa wei obekọ ni fie na nkoda no odi wo mu ko school wei no de ne ko odi wo mu ko school papa na wo hwe o ma no wo cancer mfoche mu o papa o ra fa ko to ba bi ni ankasa o papa o papa asem ni makwa fa ma no toilet man kwa fa ma no bola man kwa fa ma no fa papa ni to amoteni ankasa wo obi a wo ya ka de o papa your father apu kacha no mu kacha ye Omo disrespect no na asa be di ni mu a odi di san kwa asem no
expect all of us to
be mature. Wo papa fucking man we ya
kwasi chei please I think you are going far
wo papa stupid man odo kwa fa me ye ni person
just look at it
me ye ni person 100% me ye ni 100% say Ivan Ofri address ko ni bi
please
address ko ni bi wo address wo address
kwasi thank you
sama yo wo ti
kwasi
ana
Mr. Mama Ntio
Bini no
that
ama jimi ache
because suade
na hunyansa
suade na hu dark no beti ase suade
it's not an issue of a lender and American one say Kofi, I'm not talking about the lender. Adi American one sem no any unwarranted attack on the president. That is my point.
It was generated from one my friend Mary Berry. And he wrote about that Duchess of bank lose about 50,000 pounds from the stock. And I portray that bank and I lame that because comparatively lame that just say aboa no ntimi nhwe the flock ni and they be subject to predators or a lame duck. That's the origin of the word lame duck. But you want to take the dictionary, that's also quite a lame duck. I say and let's compare a someone speaker a kind at the far of mampany lame duck as some more kind. Nyan compare ni you say is he truly on point to say president or a lame duck na because so when suya at the na kofa say what is to be can be enti san aseche na so can be obeka asem na wasem na kana onti asem na kana say because the first definition that from the Oxford Dictionary the first definition is an ineffectual or unsuccessful person or a thing not that long ago that the bank was regarded to be lame duck. So someone who is unsuccessful, someone who is ineffectual. And the second definition is this: a politician or an administration in the final period of office after the election of a successor modifies. That's a modified now. So say we are politician near choose or successor. Now or final year you can be described as a lame duck. This is common sense. Just read it. You understand. Now, is another not his final term? Is it not a successor? Binoka say, has MPP not elected a successor to succeed Nana Akufo-Addo? So what are you talking about? And the other I cannot hear say. And I better now, yeah, because I bring microphone to so Kasebi. And in any way, any of these,
I open microphone for people.
Any of these, any of these descriptions, any of these three descriptions, face Nanado, any of them. But me will say, speaker you sue the third definition of God can say or you lame that because there's a successor. It will not cry the Ochre, the entire or refer to the president as lame duck. But in any way, me say all the three definitions, whether it's an ineffectual, or you be is unsuccessful, or you be or he cannot keep his flock, and that Ghanaians are not being subject to predators. Is it not fact? Is it not fact? And a matifie, a wofo, a merwatifia, omo bond yentu omu is not able to keep his flock, but now to keep MPP. And no should be not so MPP. No busan say, we a showdown, we a afafranto, and I about me. Is not able to keep his flock. No, and this is what President Kufuor spoke about. Mumpo bi obekamo abomu. Now is final term. At party is he able to keep his flock? No, a fact. Is he successful? Never, and he has never been successful in any way because now the president Obedi Yano has subjected Ghana to the total debt, and now Busa say 120 billion to almost 600 billion. Scan away, and then the oh yes, I have to go. Hey, and NDC car and MPP achievement or cartoons road. Eka. So, Speaker, as some more kind in lame duck president. Now, that was the first person who used to start the way on Professor Mills. Armchair president, lame duck president. Oh, we about your mama, no being soon competence. Emma, your mama. Now, what used to be a movie, you were here drumming it in MPP, on radio, on TV. Who say I used to be a man another the whole world should come to an end. I mean, he wants another idea one home or the chirubi. So Nanado Nim say he's a lame duck president, and will be the president will be a lame duck. And you know you smart Professor Mills. So me speak as some kind of all the three definitions as I've stated, whether being the originator of the word, whether being any of the two definitions of the word, it best describes who Nanado is. Me and Pacho, you say Mona Moko you running beat. Jomama or making Jomama running beat MPP and Yamasem. And at MPP for my car, some you running meet in them. Because yen and who in here yen. Cominim Ajime Biam Befana come by me a true for you. No matimia be Kruma. Minim Nipakra Mobefano. But to be another coca about me or Kreti had any magic to conjure in this country. It been your Momo running mate and be your moon you, yen and fire. The fire who you say, John Damani Mahama, I drina a bunny trimwa, a ban no kufa about me tibe pie. And they say, the economy no a dan tem. The economy it needs to run 24 hours. and that or the name go Akoma economy be running 24 hours, and that's what you are drumming to Ghanaians so muntie. Na Ghana 40 eno na di adwuma eba. The number of workers here one no ebe double. The number of workers here one no unemployment here one eso bete. Eno no de ba aba be se sakra Ghana. Na MPP for busa say what is the alternative? The alternative is clear now. Eti samuso bibi ufro bi apart from one district, one factory, one village, one damene dami ensuo ba kokura dim dabo kura ntimi nware wom. Bibi say answer district factory one ya esi ai kasa preko Akoma FM krom nyom de beka ho. Enti bibi ani ho edi ebiem na beka emiti Professor Dr. Ba na ne kasa. And you say is it ebiem na beka che Ghana for? What Ghana for ntro Ghana for I fed up. In my 2 years under our administration, there will be no problem of toilet and water. If I tell you, say, and I know, say, almost half of Kumasi ends you. So you are aware. We are aware. More than half of Kumasi ends you. For how many days? For how many weeks now? Young can was them. Enti, a trona will try and say, be any what about me, Becca, a best Ghana near Jilibim. Ghana for Asantemai, I determined. So must to answer. Almost a John Dramani Mahama Bosia no boy or the year. John Mahama, a responsible leader, and to doom so eba no semon fama me. Na munyame, na me resolve mama, emamo. Enti mubetina sumu, yes, metemase, but me resolve ade na ona sumu biem. Enti an MPP kase wo excess power. Yem fanya hwea to the credit of John Dramani Mahama. Na ne wo power. Businessman na djuma kura nkoyi enti advert ntimi meye wo so mfidi esi so fa na ebe oka de na enso entuntu abill no ene de na enso na businessman ntimi meye advert emma wo unya bi nra no nyoma no fa na ebe oka. So it is clear these two presidents you can't even compare them. It will be insulting to compare Nanado's administration to 8 years administration to that 4 years of John Dramani Mahama. It will be insulting and Ghana ni bi ehu. Sanado made the president and Kenya. You could have said the president that never was. President be banan ko be ye adwuma na ke ye adwuma so ayama na medi bampanyin Nanado. Ene ne nsa no ntwereye. Ene da ho a yegu nyuma nyina banks bebre yegu no ama manfo aba betena fi. Itimi the banks here 9 billion egu 23 billion egu banks here 9 billion. Common sense. We chance we adwuma nka onya ne sa because mo betena fi nso e be create deadlock bi wo ho a unemployment no amanfo e de krono baba krom ubaka cheme say bosse yabo under John Dramani Mahama so incompetent patro John Dramani Mahama bo bosse wantimi antuada da ben e bosse medua John Mahama antimi an service e bi nsi da ben e ton bonds and John Mahama anka say bonds we de mintua jesem de ko 2030 e bi nsi and that is a leader where competent. Ono ne friend leader Ghana for side economy abechensa no run economy way within 24 hours a day na ehun say within the first 2-3 years no Ghana ni bia se na abroche manfo ye adwuma mienu no miensa no Ghana for nso benya bi aye e wo kroma ntom run mate no kofi yen eni asema bi no mdenye ba
but when up and dive into the assembly level election this assembly level election